Today we're going to be making slime. So slime is really big right now, but it's kind of been banned because it has borax in it, a kind of dangerous chemical. So I found a way to make slime without using borax, but with using shampoo. So if you make it, you actually can like use it to wash yourself. So which I found pretty cool. So it just uses two shampoos. That's all it uses. No glue or anything. It just uses pert. Yeah, you can just buy these at Giant Eagle, and there's a Suave Kids frozen one. It's called a Berry Flurry. Yeah. So as I'm making the slime, I will kind of tell you the story about how I figured this out. So basically, I usually use the shampoo, right? Pert. Yeah, pretty basic shampoo. And my sister uses Suave Kids. And I used to have my shampoo in a squirt bottle, but I don't anymore. And so for some reason I thought her shampoo was my shampoo. So I put some of hers in my hand. So then I realized what I had done, and I was like, that's okay. I'll just put some of my shampoo on over it. So I kind of mixed it together. And then, yeah, I just made the slime. It was really cool. It's gonna get messy. Okay. There we go. So I put a cup of each in. Can I have something to stir this with? Mom's assistance. Okay. The shampoo already feels kind of slimy, but it's like not as slime. I think I filled it with the green slime too much. Ooh, a whisk. Okay, here we go. There we go. It's getting slimy. Okay, so I think it's slimed up enough. So, okay, now we're gonna play with it. This is so great. Look at how slime it is. Okay, we're gonna put that in there. Oh my god. It's like, oh, this is so weird. Yeah, okay, so here it is. Pretty generic slime. Still feels like normal slime. It does all the same stuff, but it's made from shampoo and doesn't use borax. So Swan almost got banned, or almost got suspended from our school because he brought slime. And I guess, wait, Mom, do you have food coloring? We can put food coloring in it. But naturally, it's green. So I don't know what color it'll be if you put food coloring in it. Let's try red first. Okay, first we're going to put in red. Okay. We're going to need a lot of food coloring though.
Try that. Even if you just get swirls.
It looks like blood. It just looks like I dumped a bunch of blood in my slime. I made my slime with the blood of my enemies. Yeah, let them see. Look at that.
There's a glare.
It's like, it just looks bloody. so cool though. Mom, put some blue in it.
Blue?
Yeah, blue.
Mhm.
My mom is also making tea, so if you heard the kettle,
Ready?
yeah, just put some blue in. My hands look like that. I just like stabbed someone. Oh, that was probably way too much blue, but that's okay. Now it looks like I murdered a Smurf. Okay.
Oh no, Papa Smurf!
Okay. Now we have, instead of making purple slime, we just made a bluish red slime.
That's not really mixing, is it?
Beautiful. No. But that's okay. The more I mess with it, the more it'll mix. Taffy puller. Makes it real
Hold it
good.
more so they can see it.
Oh, it's mostly blue now. You put way more blue in it than you did red. It kind of looks like gray.
I think blue's just stronger.
It's like silver.
Yeah, it is.
It's like silver. Can you guys see that? Silver. It's like a bluish silver.
It really looks silver now.
Yeah. So cool. Like, whoa, man.
Closer.
Oh boy! Look at that. Beautiful. And it's also shampoo, which makes it better. Because technically I just walk up to the shower. Use this right now. Put it in my hair.
Now we need to add a lot more red.
Yeah. I like how my hair is the same color as my shirt. I match. Whoa! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
You want to add something else?
Yeah, let's
Wanna
add
do
another
yellow?
color. Yeah, let's add a yellow because yellow isn't really as strong. This looks good. Oh, that's weird. I hate how the yellow looks red because you think one time I put the yellow in and I thought it was red, but then I got yellow cookies. So then we had to cut the cookies into duck shapes because a yellow heart cookie doesn't look as good. No, it's just like a yellow metallic color. Look at this.
Looks like a...
Ugly green.
No, it looks like silver that's starting to patina,
So yeah.
oxidize.
I hate that.
Almost a coppery color.
Yeah. I like how you can go like this and it makes that web of clear goo in between your fingers. That sounded weird, but isn't there one more color?
One more color.
Green.
Now it's truly going to look like slime. Oop, don't get on your shirt. Don't mind the mom.
Whoa. This is so cool. It's stickier than slime though. Like, normal slime is more like silly putty where you can pull it off fast, but this is actually sticky. It sticks to your hands. Oh, that was so satisfying to do. Squeeze it. Oh, that's so cool. That noise though. Now it looks like a silver green. It's like a... Oh, we're swirling now. It's like a metallic green.
Kind of looks like something Aquaman would sneeze.
Okay. I don't want to wash my hands off with this because I feel like it'll get stuck in the drain.
Probably.
What? Oh, we should wrap it up. Okay. Yeah, so that's how to make slime. If you want to get the same color, put about 8 drops of each color, red, blue, yellow, green. You'll get this metallic color, and to mix it together really well, or else it won't work. Yeah, so buy those 2 shampoos, mix it together, and tell your teachers that it shouldn't be banned anymore because it's not made of borax. Don't take it to school yet because they'll still probably think it's normal slime. I'd kill you. No, I mean, they wouldn't kill you, they would just probably suspend you.